Thank you for choosing Go Ramp, a high-quality product designed in Canada. Our wheelchair ramps are designed for easy installation without the need for tools. This video guides users step by step to assemble our products independently. Begin installation from the upper walkway, as shown in Step 1 of the installation manual, respecting the correct orientation, that is top and bottom, of the ramp section. Properly position the nose of the ramp. Use the legs with base to temporarily hold the ramp in place, then tighten the bolts with plastic handles. To achieve the ideal slope, calculate a drop of 1 inch for every foot of ramp length from the 0 point. In this example, you have a 4-foot walkway. Place a 4-foot level at the beginning of the walkway and calculate a 4-inch difference between the end of the level and the end of the walkway. So, for a 3-foot walkway, you will have a 3-inch drop. For a 4-foot walkway, a 4-inch drop, and so on. Check the horizontal level at the end of the platform. Then tighten the bolts with plastic handles. Before installing the platform, first install the floor transition in the molding designed for this purpose on the upper sidewalk. To assist with the installation of the platform, temporarily fix the legs with base to help with leveling. During the installation of the platform, easily adjust the 4 corners with a level by loosening and tightening the bolts with plastic handles. Properly check the level on all 4 sides before tightening the bolts with plastic handles into their final position. To continue the ramp from the platform, start by installing an upper walkway section. As in the previous step, use the legs with base to adjust the slope. In this example, we have a 4-foot walkway, so a 4-inch drop. Finalize the installation of the walkway section by checking the horizontality with a level. Fit the central walkways together. Adjust them with the legs until they are properly supported against each other. For the lower walkway, insert the legs without base, ensuring they are firmly supported on the ground. Secure them with the bolts with plastic handles. Next, insert the finishing profile into the slot provided for this purpose. Match the guardrail lengths to the same lengths of the walkway sections. Attach the guardrails by inserting the bolts into the holes provided for this purpose. Make sure that you tighten the fastening bolts securely. You can now take full advantage of your ramp, which is not only a metallic structure, but a gateway to independence and inclusion. Go Ramp is proud to be a part of making it easier for people in their daily lives who are losing their independence. Together, let's continue to build a world where everyone can move freely and safely.